Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Aminia Dental Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about the topic properties of fused porcelain. Let us learn about some of the physical properties of fused porcelain such as strength, modulus of elasticity, surface hardness, wear resistance, thermal properties, specific gravity, dimensional stability, chemical stability, aesthetic properties, as well as biocompatibility. Now we are going to learn about all these physical properties one by one. Strength. Fused porcelain has good strength. The strength of fused porcelain is measured in terms of flexure strength. This flexor strength is a combination of compressive strength, tensile strength, as well as shear strength. Fused porcelain has good compressive strength, whereas the tensile strength, shear strength, and flexor strength of fused porcelain are low. Compressive strength is high. Tensile strength, shear strength, flexor strength are low. Modulus of elasticity of fused porcelain is high, that is 69 gigapascals. Surface hardness of fused porcelain is it is much harder when compared to natural tooth. Much hard when compared to natural tooth. It is much resistance to wear when compared to natural tooth. Much wear resistance when compared to natural tooth. And the thermal properties of fused porcelain is it has low thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity of fused porcelain is very low. The specific gravity of fused porcelain is 2.242. Fused porcelain becomes dimensionally stable after firing. After firing, it becomes dimensionally stable. It is chemically inert. The chemical stability. Chemically inert, and it is insoluble and impermeable to oral fluids. Impermeable to oral fluids. It has good, that is excellent aesthetic properties. Excellent aesthetic properties. It is compatible with oral fluids. Compatible with oral fluids. Let us summarize what we have learned. It has good strength, that is good compressive strength, and low tensile flexor and shear strength. Surface hardness is much hard. High modulus of elasticity, much resistance to wear when compared to natural tooth. Low thermal conductivity, specific gravity value 2.242. It is dimensionally stable after firing. It is chemically inert. It has excellent aesthetic properties and it is compatible with oral fluids. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.